Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Anatomy. My name is Sean. Today I've got a special guest with me. This is Abby. She is a friend and neighbor, and she has just bought her very first car. So she picked up a, what year is this?
2016.
2016 FR-S, and she, like many other car people, wants to start making some modifications for it. So her first modification that she's picked up is a brand new Invidia exhaust system. Now, this is a big departure from what we typically see on the channel, which is bringing classics back to life. But I think it's important that we also kind of help raise some of the next generation of car people. And Abby's excited to get her hands dirty, so we're going to dive into to doing this new exhaust system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, take just a moment and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. All right, let's show you what she's currently got on the car, what it sounds like, and what she picked up. All right, so just sitting here at idle, we're at about 83 decibels, and let's go and just cruise for a little bit, say like 40 miles an hour, and see what our sound level's like. So cruising along at about 50 miles an hour, we're 87, 88 decibels, somewhere around there. So not terribly loud. Now here's the exhaust that she's picked up. It's an Invidia, and Abby has never seen the exhaust in person yet, so she is super excited. So do you want to do the honors?
Sure, yeah.
May have to just actually grab here and just rip.
Oh, it's like opening presents for Christmas, just not on Christmas. There we go. And those are presents.
Go ahead and get it. Oops, this is on backwards.
Thank you. There we go. And then
Go for it.
we get it in.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
There we
that
go.
should come out. So the next ones are going to be these here.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. So we'll just need to get the right tool. Looks like maybe a 12 or 13 on this side, maybe a 10 millimeter on this side.
Okay. There we go.
All right. Now, we're loose at the front, loose at the back.
Back and now just the middle. This.
Just that little hanger.
Oh, it just slips right.
Just like that.
And there it comes. Why is the middle so bent out?
One stock resonator.
There we go.
Now let's just get the mufflers off.
Yep.
And last one. Okay, you want to do the honors?
Sure, yeah.
So we're going to push. So you're just pushing this way. And okay, you want to set that down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at the other side. Oh, man, this is huge.
Yep.
Okie dokie.
A little difference there between the old
A little?
and the new.
Yeah, the muffler is like...
It's like 3 times the size.
Yeah, is there... There muffler stuff on the... Okay.
This
Right.
guy on. Just like that. So the spring and the bolt will go in from this side with the nut on the back side.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let this down and then we'll move to the next section back.
Oops.
You just lock your car.
I just opened the car.
So most of the time with bolts and nuts,
Yeah.
you want to tighten the nut and hold the bolt.
Okay.
So we'll put the wrench on this side since
Okay.
this is the bolt side, and you can turn this around so it's not,
Oh.
you give yourself a little bit more room.
Yeah.
And then hold this. So now squeeze the trigger. Okay, now let's go to the other side.
Oh, that's this same place. Okay.
Yep, so,
Right here?
yep, so I'm gonna give you this. And you're gonna tighten that bolt. Okay, now we're just gonna ratchet it here a little bit. Make sure it's good and tight. Good. Okay, now same thing on the other one. Okay, next we'll go to the mid-pipe section right here. And on this one, I think you're gonna have to put the wrench on this side.
All right. Sounds good. Wait.
Yep. Okay, let's do the other side. We may actually need to swap. So I'm gonna give you this, and I'll take the wrench.
It's constant swapping around.
Yeah,
Right?
yep. Okay, now. Okay, we're good there. Now we just have the last two
one.
bolts
Okie dokie.
all the way up there at the front. Give me a little rev.
Oh my god, this sounds amazing.
You happy?
Yes.
Okay, let's go take it for a ride.
Okay.
So definitely a lot louder than it was.
A lot louder. I can hear it. Oh my god, it's lower too.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. Like a lot of bass to it. So sitting here at idle, it's really about the same as it was, just it's a
I know, we
deeper
haven't
tone.
even gone into like anywhere past like 4 RPM.
Yeah. So what do you think?
I love it.
So as you can tell, I think Abby's pretty happy with the way that that her Invidia exhaust has worked out for her FR-S. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. God bless. We'll see y'all soon. Say bye.
Bye.